Yeah, I'm now currently is a consultant for OTS engineering.
Okay, so at what point in your life you decided your career?
At what point of my life? Actually, after graduate also, I've been searching my career path for a few years before I decide to go with this line.
Okay, so what influenced your decision of being an engineer?
A lot of people that I meet along my career path.
Along your career path?
Yes.
As in?
Maybe the client, the customer, or my senior.
Oh, that means before you start your...
I think the question is, when you were in secondary school, did you decide you wanted to do engineering?
No.
No.
So after your SPM,
Yeah.
then you started working first?
Yeah, that's why I said
Oh,
started
right.
working a few years,
Okay.
blindly working in the.
Blindly working.
Okay, so what are the skills that are necessary for your career now? Like, what skills do you need?
Interpersonal skill, technical skill, more about dealing with people.
More on dealing with people. How passionate are you in your career? Like, yeah, how passionate?
Passionate lah.
Maybe examples of what big projects or big things you have done.
Oh, project. If it's about passion, it's because it's like we are doing design. I mean, designing a building is a great achievement for us. Something that we can look forward at least after 10 years, this building got praised or.
Okay. So how is the market for engineering right now? Like,
How is
for
the
example,
market?
will I get a job if I graduate today?
Oh, sure. My company is also looking for engineer.
Okay. Are there like too many engineers, like, graduates?
No, because actually, I think Southeast Asian is now is a developing region, so a lot of engineer is currently shifting here and there in this region.
So how do you think the market will be in 10 years time?
10 years time is just.
How do you think it will be?
I think our industry mostly is not that it will last for 1 or 2 years. It's a continuous industry. That's why for 10 years it will still be good.
Okay. How did the high school or university physics affect your decision of being an engineer?
University physics.
That means like when you study in university, the physics course, did it like makes you want to become an engineer more?
Not really.
Not really.
Not really.
Okay. How is the workload of being an engineer?
Oh, quite heavy because now the customer is quite demanding.
Okay. Do you often work overtime?
Overtime, not that if you can handle the client lah. That's why I say interpersonal skill is quite important.
Okay. Do you think being an engineer is stressful?
Yeah, it's stressful because you never know what will happen because you are designing on the paper and actual thing might be different.
Okay. So would you choose the same path again if you had to choose again?
I think I will remain the same path since the other path not that I'm very familiar with, so I think it's better to remain something that I'm good with lah.
If you were not to choose engineer again, what other course were you interested at the time?
What other course? Maybe accountant.
Okay. So you chose engineer is because of people around you
No, because we, I mean, we are more about designing thing. I like more about designing things, something that you can use your brain to do.
So actually, when you were studying in university, do you like physics? Do you like the course?
I like the course, but because course is just like you are studying something that is already been invented. So if you say it whether it influence me, it doesn't really influence me, because whatever is only a knowledge for you to propel you for your future design or whatever.
So, as you said, so physics. Do you use physics a lot in your career? The physics skills you have learned in university, do you use it in career?
Yeah, for the basic thing.
For basics.
Yeah.
So it's more on
Yeah, because
dealing with people.
later on you more about your experience, how you deal with the situation. Because study is anyhow, in actual situation you don't have the time for you to do all these. Yeah, like according to the what you study in the university lah.
Okay. Okay. So I think that's all.
Yeah. Okay.
Thank you.
Okay.